GeoByte.
Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, I am going to explain a simple trick, a very easy trick to complete the multiplication process by selecting the middle number for the multiplication numbers. I have listed some multiplication numbers. Look at on the screen. Look at the first one, 48 into 52. Second one, 53 into 57. Like that, 66 into 74. 75 into 85. As you know, this multiplication can be done by our regular method, is also called traditional method, but it takes more time to get the answer by our traditional method. That's why I come with a simple trick to complete the multiplication with common middle number just within 2 seconds. The first number, look at the first number, 48 into 52. What is the middle number between the 48 and 52? 50 is the middle number. Similarly, for the second number, 53, 55, the middle number between these two is 55. Similarly, 66 into 74, the middle number between these two is 70. The last one, 75, 85, the middle number between these two numbers is 80. Dear friends, remember, if the multiplication numbers are given like this with a common middle number, then the multiplication process is very easy if you do the multiplication based on the middle number. How it will be, we will discuss very clearly. Now let us take the very first one, 48 into 52. Look at the very first number, 48 multiplied by 52. As you know, the middle number for these two numbers is 50. With respect to 50, this 48 I can write as 50 minus 2. Similarly, this 52 I can write as 50 plus 2. Now it is looking like a plus b into a minus b. As we all know, a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square, isn't it? Then you can write 50 square minus 2 square. Everyone knows the value of 50 square. The value of 50 square is 2500 minus 2 square, 4. Now it is very easy for you to get the answer 2496. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, let us take the other number. Look at the second number, 53 into 57. What is the middle number between these two? Everyone knows it is 55. Okay. Then what is the 53 in terms of 55? It is 55 minus 2. Similarly, 57 I can write as 55 plus 2. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a square is 55 square minus b square is 2 square. You know how to square the number with the last digit 5. It is like this, 55 square. You just write the first 25, square of this 5. Then you multiply the digit in the 10th place with the next higher number, that is 6. 5 into 6 equal to 30. So anyhow, 3025 minus 4, it is equal to 3021. I hope all of you clearly understood. Look at the other number, 66 into 74. First you try to identify the middle number between 66 and 74. The middle number is 70. Then the 66 can be written as 70 minus 4. This 74 can be written as 70 plus 4. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Here a square is 70 square, b square is 4 square. As you know, 70 square is 4900 minus 16. It is equal to 4884. See how simply you are getting the answer. Within seconds, you can get the answer. Similarly, the next number is, look at the other number, 75 into 85. The middle number between these two is 80. Then this 75 you can write as 80 minus 5, and 85 I can write as 80 plus 5. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, 80 square minus 5 square. 80 square is how much? 6400 minus 25. It is equal to 6375. That is your answer. See how simply you are getting the answer. Similarly, the next one is, look at the next number, 82 into 88. The middle number between these two is 85. Then this 82 you can write as 85 minus 3. The other one can be written as 85 plus 3. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square, 85 square minus b square, 3 square. 85 square, 85 square. First you write square of this one, 25. Then multiply 8 with 9. 8 into 9, 72. 7225 with the value of 85 square. So 7225 multiplied by minus, not multiplied, minus 9. Simplify this one for getting 7216. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, other one is, look at the other number, 91 into 99. What is the middle number between these two? 95. Then this 91 you can write as 95 minus 4. The other one 90, 1 minute, 95 plus 4. I hope you got my point. Now it looks like a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here again, square of the number with the last digit is 5, 95 square. In that case, you first square this value, write that one. You multiply second digit with the next higher number, that is 10. It means 9 into 10 is equal to, 9 into 10 is how much? 90. 1 minute. I'll write it clearly. 90. 9025. It is equal to 9025 minus 16 is equal to 9009. See how simply you are getting the answer. Remember, this method is applicable only when the two numbers are maintaining a common middle number. Then only this method is applicable. Similarly, shall we go for another problem? Yes. Look at the other number, 26 into 34. The 26, 34 middle number is 30. This 34 I can write as 30 plus 4. The other one you can write as 30 minus 4. Now it looks like a plus b into a minus b. It is equal to 30 square minus 4 square is equal to 900 minus 16. It is equal to 884. I hope all of you clearly understood. Similarly, let us take the last problem. Look at the last problem, 38 into 42. What is the middle number between these two? 40, 40. This 38 you can write as 40 minus 2. The other one 40 plus 2. Now it is looking like a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 40 square is 1600 minus 2 square 4. It is equal to 1596. I hope all of you clearly understood. Dear friends, you try to come to know whether the two-digit number multiplication is given with common middle number or not. If it is given with common middle number, you go through this approach, you can complete the multiplication within 3 seconds. Dear friends, shall I give some problems for your practice? Yes, let us take some practice problems. Look at the problems for your practice. You try to practice these problems, my dear friends. 24 into 36, 48 into 52. Similarly, 65 into 75. The last one, 96 into 104. I hope all of you clearly understood. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.